This needs fixing. It's much better now.
Mama, with all due respect, I am the one that wears the ring.
Emma, I was just trying to help.
You are a guest in this house, not the landlord of my marriage.
Look at this.
If you want to decide what we cook for dinner, go and cook for the elders. Here is my kitchen, my rules. Should I call your son to take you? I made the young lady in that entire cinematic video talk with my voice, and today I'm going to be showing you the secret to lip syncing your own voice for free and still maintaining the high quality to any of your AI generated videos. These 3 AI characters are all speaking with my exact voice. Look at it closely, see their mouth movements. That is the power of AI lip syncing. Welcome back to Everyday AI with Jayne. If you have been struggling with watermarks and lip syncing your videos, this video is all that you ever need. So let's go straight into it. This AI video, the movie, this mother-in-law and the daughter movie, I made it using VEO3. If you like the prompt to make it, just comment mother. If you would like to get VEO3 for free, I've linked it in the first link in the description box. You can go and watch that video on how to get VEO3 for free. Today, I'm not going to be focusing on the AI video generation. I'm going to be focusing directly on the lip sync process, okay? The secret tool we are going to be using today to do this lip sync is Dreamface AI. There are 2 things you must know when you want to lip sync your voice into an already generated AI video. First of all, you have to record that audio like an audio file. Go to your device, select your sound recorder, and then just record yourself saying whatever it is that you want that AI character to say. Save that recorded audio in a good place. Now, one thing that you should note as well is if you are going to be putting your voice into a movie scene as I did, you must make sure that your voice is acting the scene as well. So for this instance, I'm going to be showing you how I created the first scene of the lady talking, to the mother-in-law, right? Note, when you generate videos with VEO3, they usually come with sound. Look at the voiceover that this video came with.
Mama, with all due respect, I am the one who wears the ring. You are a guest in this house and not the landlord of my marriage.
Can you see that she's sounding American? That's not my voice. That's an AI generated voice. We are now going to go to the process in Dreamface. When you click the link, which is going to be in the description, it opens like this. You go over here and log in. I usually log in with my Gmail. It gives you 10 free AI generation every day. So this is what the interface looks like, and we are going to go over here and we are going to select avatar video. It opens like this. I use it a lot. So we're going to click here and we're going to upload the video that we have generated, right? So we have these 3. Make sure your video is clear and front facing, all right? We are going to upload the first scene in the Nollywood movie. Yeah, you can see it here. So you're going to click it. It's showing here, right? So we're going to go over here where it says audio, and we're going to upload the audio, that is the voiceover that we've made. You can see I'm going to shorten it. You can see here there's nothing I said, so I'm going to reduce it. So we're going to click here, generate.
A few moments later.
So this one now is done, right? So we're going to click here, choose the right folder where you want it to be saved, and it's downloaded. Mama, with all due respect, I am the one that wears the ring. Just even look at the lip syncing, just look at the way everything works. It's going perfectly. Now, let me teach you guys how I generated this cinematic video, the full video itself. I used Google Flow to generate this video using VEO3. So first things you will do is when you go to this, my prompt I've created here, you're going to start first of all by creating the characters. So you're going to create the wife character and the mother-in-law character. So you just copy the wife character prompt, go to Flow here under create an image, you paste the prompt here and run it. That's what I did, and it generated this character for me, and this is another variant of it. So I did the same thing for the mother-in-law, and it created this mother-in-law character for me, and I think it's beautiful. So now to the second prompt, we now want to create the setup kitchen scene. So you come over here and then copy it like this from here to here, right? You go back to Flow, video, you change it back to video. Now we want to create a video, okay? You're going to go over here and change it to ingredients to video. When you go to ingredients to video, you press the plus sign and then you select the image of the mother-in-law, and the second image you select is the image of the lady, and you come over here and then you paste that prompt. All right, so once you paste the prompts, you press the arrow key here This is what it creates for you.
This needs fixing.
This one. Now that you have gotten this particular scene that you like, you're going to take a screenshot from it. It's the screenshot from this scene that you use to run your other prompts. So now, after generating all these images, we go straight over to edit them. To edit these videos, I'm going to be doing them online using the Pippit platform. This Pippit platform allows you to edit using the CapCut software. Yes, Pippit is owned by CapCut. So what you do is you click over here. All right, the link to Pippit is going to be in the description, and import all the clips you're going to use. Note that when you're generating videos like this, stories like this, make sure for each prompt you generate at least 2 videos for each prompt, so that when you're editing, your editing can be smooth. So bringing them all into the timeline, you cut out the unimportant parts, put the important parts, make sure that scenes are changing from one to another, and when you're done, you click this button here and export. So guys, that's the video for today, and I hope you learned something. If you like the prompts that I said before, comment mother, and of course if you want to get VO3 for free, click this link and watch the video on how to get it for free. And if you want to watch other tutorials on how to make cinematic AI videos like this, it's also linked in the description and right here. So guys, I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.